Okay, here's the prehab for 1529 South Reisner. First of all, you can't this tree. We gotta trim this down big time because you just can't see the house. I'm guessing it gives some privacy, so I wouldn't completely take it out of there. You could almost remove it, so it's up to you. I would just trim it and then actually see if you can see the house in the picture, because you can't right now. And then if you can, if there's white trim over here, do that. Now, this facing, I'd like this all white. Just the facing right here, not what's facing upwards right here. Just this right here. And then I would paint this entire step, including the facing right here, white, and then paint this facing white right here. Again, not the top, just what's facing out. I would try and paint the gutters, get those a little bit whiter, and then get up here and paint this white right there. And I think that'll be good. Looks like we already got this trim all painted white. "1529 South Reisner." Let's go ahead and get rid of this tree. You can't really see the house here with it. Yeah, get rid of this tree, and then there's a window over here that needs trim painted. Paint it white. So I'd like the facing painted white here. Just this facing, not what's on top right here. Just this facing. Paint that white. Paint this entire steps. Paint that all white. And then again, paint the facing right here white. Not the top. Just the facing right there. Try and paint this white, or clean that up if you can, and paint this white up here. That should give it some good contrast and good pop.